So Steve, we're here at ETG today. We're in your showroom, which is in preparation at the moment for an up-and-coming event which is happening on October the 2nd and the 3rd, Discover Turnkey Excellence. For our audience, tell us what's going to be at the show and what they can see during the two-day event.
Well, just to wind it back slightly, if you remember our previous showroom, we've actually expanded on that. So we have had a complete renovation built through. So the showroom now is 3 times of its original plan. What we'll be bringing through is a machine from each principal. So we've got Bavius, Chiron, Quaser, Bridgeport. And what we're basing the theme on is turnkey excellence. Is every machine will be a project machine.
This is the first time I've seen a Bavius here in this country. Is this the first time ETG have had one here?
First time we've had one for stock. Normally this type of machine is built to a customer order. The TR80 is a horizontal 5-axis machine, and the options on the machine is fully equipped, and it allows us to order that as a stock machine.
What does turnkey mean for you then, this Discover Turnkey Excellence? Who you're aiming this at?
So turnkey is basically it's a customer package that we put forward. That could range from a single spindle, single turret lathe that has a package built in to suit the customer's needs, to get the part up and running. It could be all the way through to 10 machines where we actually source and help the customer provide operators and maintenance training. So it's just giving the customer the full package.
Is each one of these machines going to be geared up with a particular application and all the necessary equipment around it then? Is that what you're delivering?
Yes, so we'll have a Quaser 5-axis machine with a pallet system on it, and there's a Nakamura twin spindle lathe where we'll have a robot loading on it. We'll have an ATC machine with a full swarf management. The Bavius machine behind us has got a compressor on it for compacting the swarf. So there's an element of every theme built into each individual cell.
And it's great to see this in the development stage, because there's machines arriving as we speak and the event's only a matter of weeks away now. Are you going to be ready?
Yeah, well, it's typical Mac build-up, isn't it? You know, you're there on the Sunday night and you're still putting out the flowers and laying the carpet. So we are going to be ready. By hook or crook, we will be ready.
With this growth in ETG as well, you say the showroom's now 3 times bigger to accommodate more stock, but more products that you're actually bringing in as well, because there's been some recent developments which we broke actually on MTD, didn't we, a few weeks ago. Is that going to be included at the show? Yes,
yeah. So there's a section for HK technologies, so there'll be an element of 3D printing and wire EDM.
When it comes to market sectors, is there any preference to what markets people should be machining and making parts for, or are these turnkey applications, across board?
So we have each machine, as we've alluded to, will be a turnkey, and it will be focused on a particular sector. So the horizontal there will have a high-fall fixture targeted at the automotive. We're going to have a 5-axis cell set up for aerospace. So yeah, it will be targeted at each individual sector. Okay, so it's the 2nd and the 3rd, which is the Wednesday and the Thursday, 2nd and 3rd of October. Steve, for people that want to come, it is always good to register, isn't it? Because it gives you an idea of who's coming. Can you tell them where they can do that? Yeah, so if they go on our website, engtechgroup.co.uk, and on there it will come up straight away with the registration page. Just drop your details into there. We'll send you then a calendar invite, and we look forward to seeing you on the Wednesday or the Thursday. Both myself and Lindsay, and in fact other members of the MTD team, will be here, because we've got some we're going to be tackling you guys, aren't we, and questioning you about the technology that's on show, which I'm sure will be interesting to see as well. Yeah, definitely. So we've got we're going to have our principals here, as well as technical partners and obviously our own specialists. And every hour on the hour, there's going to be a presentation on each machine, on each sector, which we're going to get heavily involved in. So we make sure we get all the facts and figures out. There is, you heard it from Steve, register on their website, engtechgroup.com. There's a page there to register for the event, October the 2nd and 3rd, Discover Turnkey Excellence.